Howdy kids, today I'm checking out the Baseus Bowie E16 true wireless earphones. This is a brand new budget-friendly set for 2025 that comes in a sleek little box. It looks great, has an IPX4 waterproof rating, and costs less than $10. Let's see if these earphones are actually worth your money. Inside the box, you get the earphones in their case, a short Type-C cable, an instruction manual, and the classic Baseus stickers. I'm already a fan of the case. It's small, slim, and made of matte plastic that doesn't attract fingerprints. It opens and closes smoothly, and the buds fit snugly inside with magnetic attachment. After removing the insulating stickers, just open the charging case and the earbuds power on automatically, ready to pair. On the front, there's an LED indicator. Flashing white light means charging. Steady white light means the buds have more than 10% charge. Flashing red light warns you when there's less than 10% left. You'll find the reset button on the side of the case. To repair the earphones, open the case and press the button for 3 seconds. To reset, open the case and hold the button for 8 seconds. The indicator will flash red 3 times. The earbuds feature touch controls, long press, double tap, or triple tap either side to skip tracks, play or pause music, answer or hang up calls, and more. When it comes to sound quality, I'm not an audiophile, but for this price, they sound pretty good. There are no fancy extras like active noise canceling, super bass, or app support, but honestly, I appreciate the simplicity. Call quality is decent, but the mic struggles in noisy environments. It picks up all background noise without any filtering, so I wouldn't recommend these for long phone calls on a bus.
This is a microphone test of the Baseus Bowie E16 true wireless earphones. I'm recording in my room where some background noise can be heard. Let's see how well this mic picks up my voice and how much ambient sound comes through. This gives you an idea of the real-world recording quality.
With Bluetooth 5.3, the range is solid, 5 to 10 meters, even with walls in between. Comfort-wise, these buds are just okay. After about an hour, they start to hurt my ears. You'll need to find your own comfort angle, and it might take some time to get used to them. Battery life is advertised at 30 hours, and just 10 minutes in the case should give you 2 hours of playback. What I like, the case is slim enough to slip into your pocket, the buds look stylish, pairing is quick and the connection is stable. Sound quality is good enough, touch controls work well. Most importantly, the price is unbeatable. What's not so great? Not the most comfortable for long use. Microphone quality could be better. Final verdict? Overall, for under $10, these are among the best in their category, and I totally recommend them. But if you have a bigger budget, you might want to look for something more comfortable with a better mic. Keep it real, folks.